Hi, welcome to Green Week. This has been part of our ongoing commitment to sustainability, to climate action and to developing the green skills and communities, the green skills that our communities need now and in the future. The week has brought together staff and learners and partners to explore how we can all play a part in creating a sustainable Redbridge.
Everyone ESOL class are doing a skills swap for Green Week. They're an amazing group of students who inspire me every single day.
Hello, this week is a green week and I enjoyed a lot.
We learned so many things, reusable nappies, period pants, and even tips on how to save energy at home. So for me, yeah, I have definitely picked up so much. Big fact, reusable nappies. If you use reusable nappies, you're only ever going to use 12, where on average you're using 2,000. So it's such a big number.
Green.